Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, let me share. Guys, first of all, I want to say apologize.
Sorry.
It's one of those days that, sometimes things
Sometimes, we stuck with some other work and
yes. Today, Bitcoin rises to 32,000 as Elon Musk says that he will likely be accepting Bitcoin again. So, he just wanted to share a bit of some due diligence to confirm that the percentage of renewable energy usage is most likely at or above 50%, and that there is a trend towards increasing that number, and if so, Tesla would resume accepting Bitcoins as payments, echoing a statement he tweeted in June. Now, the BBC noted that this caused the price of Bitcoin to surge past 30,000 mark at the time of the writing, and cryptocurrency is valued at 31,899. For those keeping scores at home, here's a brief timeline of the events. Tesla has started accepting payments in Bitcoin for its cars in March, a move caused by cryptocurrency price to surge that day from just over 39,000 to 46,000 that day. The EV maker then paused Bitcoin payments in May, and Musk citing concerns about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels used in mining the cryptocurrency. On June 13, Musk said that the company would bring back the option to buy Tesla's cars with Bitcoin, with clean energies used by cryptocurrency miners to approach 50%. The CEO didn't want specific any sort of time frame for this. However, he did reveal that he owned Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, and that he is indeed a cryptocurrency optimist. And he said, I might pump, but I don't dump. I definitely do not believe in getting the price high and selling. I would like to see Bitcoin succeed, he says. So,
all right. I don't know how many times he dumped and how many times he
no,
pumped.
what he's saying is that he owns three coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, but he said he might pump, means he's going to push in money to pump the price up, but he never dumps. And I think I respect the man for that.
Yeah,
Because
but he is responsible for the price what Bitcoin is today, no?
yeah, I mean, so many people see him as put so much of what do you call it, godliness on Elon Musk. So whatever he says, there will always be followers, I guess, and he influence. He does influence.
So probably he bring it down for us so that we buy more, and then he
Yeah.
is going to push back again to a same
Right, and he
like the
did help
price.
us, Manish. He did help us because of
Yeah,
his statement. Basically, we made money on Ethereum, right? We just made some money on Ethereum.
yeah,
The sad part is, of course, we sold everything. We made money, but now we are waiting to buy back at cheaper. So please, bear market, please come back. So let's
yeah.
see what happens. But of course, when the bull market comes in, guys, which is not expected to happen, then it's a good thing for us. So let's see what happens over there. Now, on a separate news, more than 1,000 people have signed up for pro-Trump cryptocurrency called magacoin, including a conservative media personalities and a Republic figures, The Guardian can reveal. The data also reveals the lion's share of cryptocurrency so far produced allocated self-described creator of magacoin, a pro-Trump consultant who owns an LLC associated with cryptocurrency. And basically, BLP recently ran a major story on magacoin, promising that the cryptocurrency would create an ecosystem for pro-Trump individuals who can support Trump businesses and candidates without using a financial instruments that benefit the globalists. I don't know.
All right.
Let's
I'm
make
not sure whether
America.
this how legitimate it is and whether it's listed in CoinGecko or any other exchange.
Very good question, Manish. I think we have to check, to make America great again, right? Maybe we should create this cap in our root zones
Yeah,
merchandise.
merchandise.
So yeah, maybe we'll read the technical documents of this mega coin and see what things that it can help us or help people do in terms of utility.
Yeah.
So that's all I have in the news, Manish. Thank you, and back to you.
All right. Let me share that today. I'll be covering some of the security feature again for Binance.
Very nice, very nice. So while Manish sets that up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Manish, back to you.
Yep. All right, so I think let me see that how it looks. All right, it looks okay.
Yep, looks good.
I increase the size.
Guys, if you can see the screen also, just do share in the comment section below.
All right, then I just go to order and I take you to the security features.
Wow.
So I'll be going through some of the important security feature of Binance. And Okay, hold on,
It's a TGIF, guys. Hope everything is okay on your end. Today here in Singapore, it's a
Okay,
Friday.
it's not shareable, is it? Okay, let me share the screen. Windows, not Windows. It's a security. Okay, fine. So today I'll be sharing that secure your Binance account in a 7 simple step. Security is a top priority at Binance while we do everything to keep our account secure. Also, have the power to greatly increase the security of your Binance account. There are certain features which I'll be going through. The first of all, guys, use a strong password and change it regularly. This we do it for all other things since our real monies are involved. So definitely you have to try to change the password and ensure that those passwords are strong enough so that not easily it can be guessed. That's one thing which is very basic, and I just wanted to advise it. The second one, enable two-factor authentications. How you can enable a two-factor authentications? You have multiple options for a two-factor authentication here. As you can see here, you can use a third-party security key, which is YubiKey, and you can configure it by enabling it. And you can use the tokens from YubiKey to for a two-factor authentications. For my account, I have configured it a Google Authenticator, which is recommended one from Binance. You can see that it's already on, and I'm using it for all my Binance account or any other exchanges with this Google Authenticator. I have configured it, and I'm using it for a two-factor authentication. Some people also can enable phone number verifications. Instead of your Google Authenticator, you will be getting SMSs. Using that, you can log in. Then you have a email verification by default enabled. Okay, so this about two-factor authentications. The third thing which I would like to highlight here, check the list of devices authorized to access your account. This is very important features. Once you come down here, you can click on manage and you can see what are the device being allowed here. And if you see any suspicious devices which is listed down here, you can straight away go ahead and delete it.
Wow.
So yeah, so this way it will tell you how many sessions are active and from which location it's active and what are the IP addresses being connected to. So you can see I have iPhone. Then from iPhone, I'm using Safari, Edge, Chrome. Those things I'm using it. All looks legitimate. There is no other connections from any other locations, any other country, or any other IP addresses. So
Yep.
it looks good. And if you see any suspicious, you can delete it immediately. Okay. So this is about the list of authorization the devices. Number
Mm.
4, I think couple of days back I have covered about manage your withdrawal address. Sometime what happen is when you use a public computer, you keep your account logged in, and then if it goes on a wrong hand, they'll be able to transfer the money. So what you have to do is better you configure a withdrawal address. Last time I have already explained you how to enable that. By enabling this, and you can only allow a specific address of your exchange or or wallet. So only to that address you will be able to transfer. Other than that, you will not be able to transfer anything. So that's one thing which I want to highlight it. Okay. You should also, number five is learn about phishings. You should know, um, phishing is a type of attack where a malicious actor tries to pose and someone else to obtain your personal informations. It's one of the most common attack out there, and you should be wary of it. So you should know where to use it. Try not to use it your account from a shared Wi-Fi. Those basic informations. Then number six is follow API security guidelines. Guys in Binance have something called API configurations, and that API could be very dangerous too, because there are certain apps in App Store or Google Play stores where you can download. Using a API connection, you will be able to fully control your Binance account. So when you're configuring a API, you have to ensure that you are configuring it with the right applications. Or you should verify your API list in your phone. Check whether it's configured by you, or something, or some malicious code is deployed for the API. So API, I think last time I've already shown you in some videos how to configure the API.
Yep.
uh, yeah, so you can go to API management, go to your account, go to API management, and you can see what is your API connections. Here you can see I have created one API called Robo, and that Robo is an app which I use it for auto trading. Probably in upcoming session we will explain in detail what this Robo is. So this API could be also dangerous if you are not configuring with the right applications.
Manish,
So
can you maybe share a bit more in layman term? What is this robo means?
okay,
Oh, this
Robo.
is the name you put.
Yeah, this is a name which I
Right.
put in, yes. And sorry, I
Ah,
should yeah. So using that API keys, I have already connected here in a Binance, and
ah,
my this application is fully controlling my account in
okay.
terms
It's
of
for
trade.
spam emails, right?
No, it's for trading Robo, Royal Q.
Oh,
Yes, so
okay, okay.
this is
You're
the API
whitelisting.
key. Yes. So why
Okay,
I'm saying this is could be dangerous if you are
right.
not configuring with a right applications, or somebody can take control of your entire Binance account. So you
Okay,
should always come here in your security features, come to API management,
right.
and see what are the APIs listed
Ah,
here. And
okay.
if it's not configured by you,
You
go
should.
ahead and immediately delete it.
Yeah, maybe do a screen capture and report straight to Binance before
Yes.
deleting, I guess, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That also you can keep it
Mm.
a screen capture for your reference, because this is API is something that it can complete take a control of your Binance account.
Mm.
Yeah, and last but not the least is use in universal second factor authentications. Binance support universal two factor authentication compatible authenticators such as Ubico, YubiKey. These devices will grant you access to your account only if they are plugged into your computer or paired wirelessly. This is one of the solid security features which Binance gives. So you can buy something like a smart card from these principal vendors, and only when that smart card or the keys or third party authenticators are connected to your laptop or your PC, then only you'll be able to access your Binance account. So these are the seven steps which you should follow to secure your Binance account. And before I hand over to Wayne, just a closing thought: keeping your Binance account secure is an important consideration. We went through some of the simple steps. I think you can take you can follow that to protect your account and keep hackers from accessing your precious bitcoins and altcoins. You can prevent uh, from those hackers. And if you would like to check your current security level, go to your security dashboard. If you're using Binance app, go to the security sections, as I have already explained you, of your account tab. And you can see what are the security measures you have configured for your account. So that's all to
Really nice.
secure your Binance account. Hope this video is useful
Yeah.
for you. Yeah.
Thanks, Manish. Don't guys, don't neglect security. We were a victim ourselves, and we will be coming out a new video for you guys. And I want to give you a sneak peek. Manish, shall we give that a sneak peek? Is maybe
Yeah,
our
yeah, yeah.
way
I
to
think we
apologize.
should give it.
Okay,
Yes,
we'll give
correct.
you a sneak peek of a video that we're gonna create. It's gonna be a documentary about a recent event that happened to us. So, just for you guys for today, I'm gonna play the show. So, maybe you can give us a comments shortly. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
just loading up the show.
Welcome back to Worldwide Exchange. It is expected somewhat that a business will fall victim to a ransomware attack every 11 seconds in 2021.
I was hacked. I have to admit it, and it sucks.
A new warning tonight about the scope of a massive cyber attack.
Already believed to be the largest cyber attack on our government.
America under virtual invasion.
Pancake swap, we are making 5% per month.
Capital amount also reduced from 4,000 to this. But look at that, the cake we are able to bake every day.
Oh my god. So guys, I know it's a cliffhanger. More to come.
And
I
we
just
are the
needed
victim.
time, so
That's why. Yeah, we
spend
are the
time to-
victim.
Yeah, we were the victim of a recent hack, and that's why Manish decided to use his technical skill. We are going to create a documentary to raise awareness at security. It's okay, we lost in the process because we made some, we lost some, and we're going to put a bounty on this S-Wipes person. We know his wallet, we know his IP address. And I'm going to tag the FBI, the CIA, the NSA, so he can run with our money, but there will always be that thing on his head. So that's the beauty about blockchain. We have ledgers and we can trail. So, so much for Pancake Swap. So if you guys have wallets outside of Binance, be careful because that's the circle of trust, right? So stick to Binance, CoinHako. You should be safe. Okay. There's a lot of hacks, guys, and Manish is working with some. I'll call them white hacks. What do you call it? White ethical hackers to really understand the technical side of things. So we'll be revealing that shortly. Yeah. So anyways, let's see what's happening in the markets. All right. So good news for all of us. We are moving up, right? From the 10 was extreme fear. I mean, partly thanks to Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk on the 21st, which was what was expected. Two big boys coming in, having a conversation. And today we covered in the news with the recent Tesla being accepting Bitcoin. Yeah, so 23 guys, 23 looking good. You will hover there for a while. Over in the stock market, we are down. So there's no fear in the marketplace. Things are moving as usual. Today is, of course, the last day of market trades, where the stock market trades for 5 days a week. Let's look what's happening over in the crypto. So green, I know Mr. Loon with 90% of his portfolio, he'll be much happy. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest, of course, is picking up. We'll start to see that over a very nice weekend, hopefully, which we never, Manish, we never seen. Always, it was always slow during the weekends. Right?
Yeah.
So
It's over the weekend it's always slow. So
right.
I think probably again from Sunday night or Monday morning it start.
We should see. Right. So cryptocurrency has been increasing. Of course, new cryptos has always been coming into the exchange. There's only a few good players to always look at. Maybe the top 20 coins, because the rest will be a replication and everybody's just trying to rush and hype the coin and it's a kind of a hit and run. But if you're looking for long term, then of course try to look more from a perspective of the blockchain, the utility, and where is it hosted, right? So we have 389 exchanges, and the market cap is actually moving up to $1.3 trillion. Bitcoin, of course, with 45% dominance as well as 20% 18% for Ethereum. So in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is slightly down by 0.22, but it's a good price for up for 32,000. Welcome, Swami. Thank you. Ethereum is up by 1.53. USDT is slightly up by 0.04. BNB is down by 2.57. Cardano is down by 1.85. XRP break even. USD coin is up by 0.03. Dogecoin is down by 1.36. Polkadot is down by 1.40. BUSD is slightly up by 0.05. And we have Solana down by 1.78. Now, let's look at the 1 year chart. So, of course, if you are trading in the crypto space, you can expect something like a 2x for Bitcoin. And that's why we typically use that as a 50%. And we try to invest the rest of the remaining 50% to give you a better capital gains, like Ethereum for 6x, 14x for BNB coins, Cardano 8x, Doge 57x. So meaning your dollar USD you can actually get a 57 for every dollar that you spend. So 2x for Polkadot, and of course there are some losers like BUSD, slightly a bit low. Just looking at a 1 year chart, as well as Solana 25, guys. So something to look at. Let's go over to the charts for Bitcoin. So I'm just today putting the MA, which is like the death cross that happened over here. We have actually have a good support at the 31,000 for Bitcoin. We broke that. We are trying to aim for 34,000 before we aim for the 36. So if we hit above 34,000 and it stabilized there, with accumulation, we can see a very nice move potentially to a 36 and beyond. We still haven't break the 44, but we will try to see if we can slowly climb up. Of course, it's very bullish now because of Elon Musk tweeting that there could be a possibility that Tesla will be accepting Bitcoin again. And he's a owner of he did express in the recent conversation on the 21st that he's an owner of Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, right? And he never sold, so he's willing to pump things up, and he made a statement that he have never sold, and so far that has been true. So let's see what happens when the time comes. Of course, for Bitcoin, it's still cheap, so afford it while you can. Payday every month is coming, and I think Corey has recently got onto Binance. He texted me. So Corey, if you are watching us live, do share your experience on the Binance side of things. I know you are getting into cryptocurrency. So Corey is actually based in the US, so he gives me a lot of ideas on the crypto markets. Now, let's look at the hash rate. So the hash rate has been, there's a dip here. Not too sure what happens here. Might have to check the news. I just saw
some news impact, I think.
Yeah, there could be something that has happened here. So we have to check, guys. But anyways, we are supposed to climb back up to the height of 180, which means that we are secured more than 51% of mining Bitcoin, as well as trying to churn that remaining 3 million, right? And the last thing, of course, is looking at the network, but nothing have moved. We are still channeling. So again, as people are trying to buy and sell, people are pulling out the coins, storing it in hardware wallets. So it could be a case of at some point of time, maybe 2040, maybe we'll hit that $1 million per Bitcoin. So if you're owner of half a Bitcoin, then expect to have $500,000 US. So that's all I have. I'm just going to open up the channels. Manish, you have something that you want to share?
I just wanted to go through our blog website. Yep, guys. So some updated articles are here. If you want to have a look, just log on to rootzones.net. There are a couple of very good articles which we have posted it recently. If you want to know how to use a wallet connect for your wallets, you can refer here. The complete detailed steps has been given here. And then you have the mining processors, then you have a market makers, the market takers. So these three articles we have posted recently, and if you want to look through, just feel free to go here, rootzones.net. And there are many more other informative articles which we have posted it earlier. So I think you can just have a look here. Then you have a categories for a different crypto related information. So if you want to know complete about Binance, just look through this category and you will get all Binance related information down here.
Yeah, we are working with our content writers, guys, to actually maybe kind of come from the angle of actually doing more research on coins, coming up with articles on coins. So do expect that in the coming months, right? We're gonna
Yeah.
cover.
So you would have seen me with these t-shirts. So there's
That's
some more, yeah. So some more design, we will work it out. And yeah, so that's all for the blogging site.
Yeah. So another thing I think some of you see in the channel, I know we had a question on someone who was saying about Royal Q in Instagram. I'm not too sure if you actually came back to watch us on YouTube and Facebook. But yeah, Royal Q basically is one of the tool that myself and Manish and some of our friends actually use in during the bull time, the bull run, just before the market came down. But we won't be covering those, how to implement it, how to use it, and what is the strategy, the best strategy across the board. Because tools like that actually works well when you first understand the individual nature of the coin in terms of the Bollinger, right? Which I've covered on YouTube. Second, it helps with dollar cost average, where you can anticipate the market dropping to 50%, kind of having an automation, right? So we use that, myself and Manish use that more for to trigger us that certain coins are right, Manish.
Yeah, and probably once the bear market will come, probably we will try to cover that as well, and we can create one
Bull
how to
market,
videos.
Manish,
Yeah.
bull market.
Oh, bull market, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it
when
works
the
well
bull
with bull
market will
market.
come, yeah, once
Yeah,
the bull market will come, then probably we'll create one video using our mobile, because it's a
exactly.
mobile app,
Yeah.
and we'll upload it to our YouTube channel.
Yeah. So most of the things that we know, guys, we only tell you when the time is right, because no point we are sharing something now when the market forces
You will not be take advantage of that information. So
exactly.
only in the right time, when right information comes to you and you consume it, you can take a maximum benefit.
Right. Loon is saying, yeah, every day buy Bitcoin. Is it a good time to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum for a long run, at least 6 months? Locking. To be honest, Swami, no. Uh, you can't even. I mean, the percentage that they give is not that high. It's good to at least have your money grow. So yes, we have purchased. Um, Sami's
Probably,
purpose.
probably yes, we will come up one.
Yeah, will come up. Yeah, so you can watch it from get the right information from the mobile phone. How to learn, right? We can have videos.
Anyway, this site is completely mobile optimized. You can also access in your mobile, and you can use it as an app.
Awesome. Yeah. So Swami, we myself and Manish are trading Ethereum. I think if you watch yesterday's video, we showed when we bought and when we sold. At the right time using the Bollinger strategy.
Just
I
one
hope
day,
that,
we managed to get around 200 USD.
yeah, Manish got 200 USD. For me it's about maybe 30, 40 US dollars. I played small, but even in the bear market, you still can make money because it's channelizing, right? So there's no dip, and so yeah, just try to make money more than the bank interest. So check that out. SGDC coming soon. Manish, what is that? What's Loon saying?
Is it Singapore dollar digital currency loan you're referring to?
I hope maybe they are trying to come out together. Maybe Singapore always want to be number one, trying to compete with the Feds, because I know the Feds are going to come out with their coin soon, right?
Yeah. So if yeah, okay, yeah,
So
as
yeah, Loon.
expected. Yep.
Yep. Anyway, I trust Singapore. I trust
Probably
Singapore.
Loon is coming online with us tomorrow, right? So he can cover this.
Yeah, Loon, share with us. Do some deep dive. We'll see you tomorrow. Live with Loon at 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
And probably we see some of the spice news from you from this kind of upcoming news is, yeah.
Yeah. So Swami, yeah, just check out some of the videos and also an upcoming documentary that we're gonna cover mostly from the security angle, which is important, and we forgot because we were drooling when we were making money. So
We'll be performing a complete SSAT of Binance.
for those who don't know SSAT, so SSAT was a technical term for security
System security acceptance test.
acceptance test. Yes. Yeah, so that's something that we wanted to share with you guys. So guys, really appreciate. Thank you for coming. I do apologize for today's delay. It happens. We are in the tech field, so Murphy's law sometimes goes against us, and do ask for your. So that's all I have, guys. Tomorrow, same time, same channel. Manish.
Wow, so fast we have completed 30 minutes. And I like the quote, I think Lawrence messaged us, rain and shine, the shows must go on. So I think yes.
Yeah, really appreciate that, Lawrence.
Yeah.
It's our commitment, and we are passionate about technology,
Yes,
so we want to learn, earn, and share whatever we know, and everybody makes money. Of
yeah,
course, not financial advice. We're only sharing what we're doing. We lost money, we made money, but we will share the good news and the
bad news.
Yep. So
yeah. So sometime yes, we are late, but we keep updating our information in a Facebook channel. Do sometime if you're not getting any update in a YouTube, do head to our headers to our Facebook channel where we post if there is a delay in our live stream.
Yeah, guys. Also, if you can help us, just put a like. If you can share our videos on Facebook, it will be very helpful. We are trying to build a community, and we are growing, guys. We have recently got 100 subscribers on YouTube. But they come at different pockets of time to actually watch us and ask questions.
Yeah, and then the view also quite tremendous now. We are getting more views, more tractions in YouTube. Yeah, thanks for all your support.
Yep. So the community, you guys are the one who asks us questions. You push us to become better every day, and there's an exchange of knowledge. Yes, some of you love us, some of you hate us. I know I get the thumbs down, but regardless, we will always be here. Our commitment is 1,000 videos for you guys. So every day.
Those who give us a thumbs down also,
thank you.
All the loves and thanks to you.
Yep, thank you.
And we'll keep improving and we'll keep bringing a great content to you guys. Yep. Thanks.
Thank you, guys. All the best. Manish?
Yeah, and if you have any further questions, please let us know.
Take care. Enjoy your Friday.
Take care. Bye.